Now, you see, there is a big mistake people use in WhatsApp that actually even kill their channel. And that's why I'm going to let you know the right thing to do on WhatsApp to actually promote your channel. Now, you know what? WhatsApp is not a social media platform. Almost everybody is finding him or herself over there. And that is the reason you must take advantage right now. Now, there are 3 places on WhatsApp to promote your videos to get more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours. And the first place I'm talking about is your WhatsApp status. I will talk about that one into details. The next one has to do with your WhatsApp channel and that of your WhatsApp broadcast. It looks as if a lot of people don't actually even know that WhatsApp can help them grow their YouTube channel so massively, and even those who are aware, they have not taken time to dive into that. Now, you know one thing, whenever you finish publishing your video on YouTube, straight away go onto your WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp, and add your status over there. What you're going to do is that make sure you use a snippet of your video, that's your long form video. No matter the niche you find yourself in, maybe you've gone for a documentary, you've gone in for maybe a discovery video, exploration video, whatever video that you make, take out the very catchy section of that particular video. It might be 30 seconds, it might be a minute, it might be 15 seconds, or let's say 50 seconds. Now, upload that particular section on your WhatsApp status with a catchy caption. And I'll show you how to get catchy caption at the end of the particular video, because you need to make it look so curious so that the members who are actually going to watch your WhatsApp status actually will be encouraged to move straight away to your YouTube channel to be watching that particular video. That is it for the WhatsApp status. And one strategic thing over here is that make sure you make that particular video the last on your WhatsApp status list. It's very important because mostly people have a look at our last WhatsApp status before they click on that to watch. The next thing I'm going to talk about on WhatsApp over here is that you must create a WhatsApp broadcast list. If you're not having that as a content creator, do well to create one right away, and I'll show you how to do that. You know what? After creating this WhatsApp broadcast I'm talking about, you're going to have a one-time approach to reach a whole number of people. Currently, you'll be able to send that particular WhatsApp broadcast to a number of 250 participants, 250 numbers at a time. And so those people who are interested in your video, put them in a broadcast. Whenever you finish making the video, please do not send the video link. No, I will explain that one to you, the side effect of that particular one. Do not share the link, but hey, a snippet, a short video out of that particular video, or maybe the thumbnail, put it in the broadcast over there and add a catchy caption to that, and you're going to be amazed. Within just a few seconds, a lot of people will be trooping in to watch that particular video on your channel, therefore triggering the YouTube algorithm to be recommending your video and to be sharing your video for you, getting more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours. The next thing I'm talking about on the same WhatsApp is that of WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channel is a new introduction, and it seems a lot of people are not even aware of that. You see, WhatsApp channel works somehow like a page, and so what it means is that only you, the administrator, will be able to post over there. People who subscribe or who follow that your WhatsApp channel can only be reading. It's like a notification center or maybe an announcement board where only you can actually post it over there. So be able to build your WhatsApp channel, and then when you've already built your WhatsApp channel, whenever you finish making a video, the same way, a snippet, a short part, the interesting part, take that one into consideration. The interesting part of the video, take it out. It may be a few seconds, put it over there, and then add a very catchy caption to that. And hey, watch closely. You're actually going to see the magic that's actually going to happen to your video. It has actually helped me a lot over here. Maybe you are even one of the people who watched my videos as a result of seeing it on my WhatsApp. So that is the best way to use your WhatsApp to promote your YouTube videos to get more views. If you want to know how to create the WhatsApp channel that I talked about, let me know also at the comment section. Any of these that you're having challenges over how to use that, let me know. I'm patiently waiting as usual to attend to you and to take you through how you can be able to go by that so that you get more views and more subscribers for your YouTube videos. Now let me get to the tool that I've been using, and the powerful tool to generate all the engaging and interesting and curious captions over there, and that is what we call Chat GPT. This Chat GPT has been helping a lot. There is a free version and that of the paid version. I will encourage you to use the free version if you don't have the finances to actually purchase the paid version. And now you know one thing, whenever you go on ChatGPT, what you're actually going to see is that, how may I help you? Enter over there, give it a prompt, a very nice prompt. Let ChatGPT know that, okay, I've published a video. The video is about this. I want to upload a caption of the video on my Facebook or any of the other platforms that we talked about. And now I want you to generate for me a very catchy, attention grabbing, interesting caption with more keywords that will trigger the attention of people to actually log on to my YouTube channel and be watching my videos. Just within a click or within a second, this ChatGPT is actually going to get you a powerful thing over there and actually going to be amazed. Try that and then let me get to know the outcome of your trial. Thank you very much, and I'm sure you've gotten value from this particular video. If you've gotten value, that is exactly what I do over here on this my YouTube channel, giving you valuable tips and education on how to grow your YouTube channel. So if you want to be receiving powerful videos like this and be watching a lot of them that have already been published on this my channel, do well to click on the subscribe button, be part of this family as we keep on growing from small to great. Thank you very much. See you next time in my next video. But hey, don't forget to watch this particular video. This particular video is strictly for all of you who would want to know how to get your first 1,000 subscribers.